Let me show you all motions and gestures available on the POCO X8 Pro Max. So in order to find them, we need to open Settings, scroll down over here, and then go to the Additional Settings option. In here, in this menu, you should be able to find gesture shortcuts, and here we can find pretty much all gestures that we have on this phone, or motion, or just shortcuts, I guess. So we have the Digital Assistant option, where we can press and hold the power button to activate the Gemini or Google Assistant. Then we have Take a Screenshot, so we can slide 3 fingers down in order to capture a full screenshot. And also we have the Volume Down plus Power combination, which we can actually disable. There is also the Partial Screenshot gesture, so you can press and hold 3 fingers on the screen in order to capture a partial screenshot. You can crop the area and decide what should be saved. We have Launch Camera shortcuts, so we have double press the power button option, and we can also double press the volume down button when the screen is locked. We can also find the flashlight shortcuts, so you can double press the power button in order to activate flashlight. And we have back tap gestures, so you can set up double tap, back tap, and triple back tap gesture, and you can choose one of these options to decide what should happen when you double tap or triple tap at the back of the phone. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.